What's going on, guys? Polar Shrimp here, back with a brand new video. Today we'll be looking at how to make a YouTube thumbnail completely for free in a few steps. So the first thing you want to do is go to this website called pixlr.com and just look up Pixlr. It's spelled like this. Link will be in the description, and you want to go here and open Pixlr editor, and it will come up like this. And what you want to do is create a new image. Name it whatever you would like, and make sure, this is very important, you change the width to 1280 because that's the YouTube how YouTube wants your thumbnails to be, and the height to 720, and just make this transparent. And we can make this the title, we could just say YouTube thumbnail. Sorry, I'm typing really slow because I'm typing on one hand right now. Okay, and you can just make the size whatever you want, how you want to look at it. You can make it big, small. I just do roughly about this. And what you want to do next is you can just look up background, like a cool background. So just type in cool backgrounds and click enter, and then go to images. You probably don't want to use one like this one. You probably don't. So let's just find one real quick. Let's just use this background. And what you want to do is right click on the picture, click save image as, and just save it wherever you want. I'll just save it to the desktop and name it like cool background, and click enter, and it will begin downloading. And you can just exit out of this page and go back to Pixlr, and then in the very top left corner of the page you want to click on the file button up here and then open image, and you want to go to desktop wherever you save the picture, and here it is, cool background. So double click on that. And since it's such a small picture, to make it bigger, you just go to, you want to select this tool. It's on the toolbar. Just look at my mouse, and I'll select it. It's on the left side of the screen. Right click on the picture, select all, and then go over to the top bar where it says image up at the top, and click image size. And see how small it is. You want to change it to 1280 by 720. So, and it's gonna have a little check mark box saying constrain proportions, and you want to uncheck that, and then make the height 720, and then click OK, and it will make the picture much bigger. And then you want to right click again and click select all, and then go up to the top again and click edit, and then copy, and then you can just get rid of this. And then what you want to do is click paste, and here's your background, guys. And then you can add whatever you want, like text or any other picture. So we can add like text by going down to the type tool on this bar on the left side of the screen, and just type anything you want. You can adjust the size like this. You can just say how, that's a little bit too big, but you can adjust the size however you want. Okay, that's good. How to make a, hold on, make a from, hold on. There you go, and it's gonna look terrible because it's black text on a black background. So what you want to do is you can make this white by going like that, and here you go, the color is white. But we're not done yet. We can adjust the font, so it's the default font, but you can make it like any font you want. There's a bunch of fonts, but I use my own custom or downloaded fonts, which you can do. That can be a separate video. And here you go. Might as well make this font a little bit, or this font size a little bit bigger. So that's okay. That's fine. And you can also where says layers on the right side of the screen, you can right click and click layer styles and go to, you can make the text any way you want it. Like you could put a drop shadow on, or you can make an outer glow, inner glow, whatever you want to. So let's just make a what should we do? Outer glow. Let's see what it looks like when we do that. Can't really see anything, because if you make a shadow, since it's on a black background, you can't really see it. You'd have to make it a white shadow, but it doesn't look very good, so just don't add any of that. And here you go, guys. And one more thing, you can, whoops, my face cam went all the way over here. Come on. You can, let's say you want to put any picture on, you can put an emoji on, whatever you want to. And make sure it's PNG, because then it won't look right. So just make an PNG, any picture you put on PNG. So you could just put any of these on. Let's just say this one, you want to do the same thing, save image as, and then to the desktop, just save it, and then you can exit out of here now. Click File, Open Image, go to the desktop, and here it is. You want to do the same exact thing, select the marquee tool that's on the left side of the screen, select all, edit, copy, and then close it, and then you want to paste it. And then you can, another thing I'm showing you is you can click the edit button again, and then go to free transform, which will make you, you can adjust the size of the picture to any size you want. So like that. And it doesn't look very good, so we can make the text a little bit bigger. So by doing that, you can go to the text tool and select it, then make it slightly bigger. We can just make it like 120 or 125. Let's try that. Here you go, and then you can move it, and then move this as well. And that's gonna be our thumbnail, guys. Hope you enjoyed. That's a very simple thumbnail, but hold on, my face cam. It's not very advanced, but it's good enough for if you're beginning out with YouTube. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.